ASM 3 is the first ministerial meeting regarding Arctic issues being held in Asia. This highlights the importance of scientific cooperation among both Arctic and non Arctic states in order to deepen our understanding of the Arctic region. India considers the Arctic and the Antarctic as integral parts of the global climate system, which require long term monitoring and research. The Arctic region is of special importance due to its critical role in governing global climate, sea levels, and biodiversity. As we all know, the Arctic is warming much faster than other regions. The impact of Arctic warming and its ice melt is not a problem only to the Arctic but also to the entire globe. The Arctic and high latitudes are the drivers of the tropical climate and therefore of interest and great importance to India. There is growing evidence of strong teleconnection between the Arctic and the Indian Ocean, which modulates the monsoon pattern in India. Therefore, today more than ever, there is a need to understand the processes better and quantify the impact of Arctic melt, especially on the Asian monsoon patterns, and to enhance our collective understanding of the Arctic region. Constant monitoring and observation is going to be crucial. India has an observational program in the Svalbard region to monitor ocean parameters by deploying INDARC mooring in the fjord and other atmospheric observations. We plan to contribute observing system in the Arctic both in situ and remote sensing in the coming years. Towards this, we plan to deploy open ocean mooring in the Arctic for long-term monitoring of upper ocean variables and marine meteorological parameters. We also plan to launch NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar Satellite or NICER mission in collaboration with USA with the goal to make global measurements of the cause and consequences of land surface changes using advanced radar imaging. This will be our contribution to the sustained Arctic observational network. We are open to more collaborations with other countries in strengthening observational system in the Arctic. We are also pleased to share our data with international community to further expand our understanding of the Arctic processes. In conclusion, I would like to reiterate the importance of the Arctic region not just to India but to the whole world. India would continue to play a positive role in deepening our shared understanding of the Arctic through observation, research, capacity building, as well in promoting sustainable development of the region through international cooperation.